Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer Phantom Wallet to another device. So let's get started. First, you want to open your Phantom Wallet app on your phone. Then from here, you want to click on your account at the top. Then you want to choose settings. From here, you want to choose security and privacy. Then choose show recovery phrase to grab your recovery phrase. So just click I understand and then hit continue. Then you want to make sure that you save your recovery phrase. We'll be needing that for us to be able to transfer your account to another device. Then let's say, for example, I'll be transferring this to my computer. So let's do that. So I have my desktop right here and I have the Phantom Wallet extension. So from here, I just need to choose import recovery phrase. Then we should be able to transfer your account to another device. Basically, that's it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.